Hey guys, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV Center here in Stuart, Florida. I want to show you this pre-owned Georgetown 378 XL series. It's in really great condition. Of course, we have the slides here, the night shades. Got one big slide out here, and then on here on this side we have flat screen TV, freestanding dinette, solid surface countertops, tile floors, residential fridge. This is I believe it's a 2014 model. Great condition. Of course, we have the bathroom here. We have the master bedroom in here. Lots of storage. Great room here. Alright, let's take a look on the outside. So we got 3 steps down, they're automatic steps. Automatic awning, we have frameless windows here. Runs on a Ford V10 chassis. So if you have any questions about this RV, feel free to call us at 772-288-2221. I'm more than glad to show you around. Thank you so much and have a nice day.